If you want to fix blurry wallpapers on top problem on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your Photos app. Now choose a picture which you want to use as your wallpaper. Now let's tap Edit right here. Now let's forward to Crop. And so if you set a photo as a wallpaper directly without cropping, iOS may not adjust its size properly, causing the top part to appear blurry. So let's adjust our aspect ratio. Let's tap here, then tap on it one more time, and here we have to find, have to find our wallpaper option, and this will fit our picture directly to the wallpaper mode. Like when you're done, press down at the top right corner, and now you can use it as a wallpaper. So now let's open up. Now let's open up our settings. Let's find our wallpaper. Let's tap Add New Wallpaper. Choose your photos. And let's choose this photo and check whether it looks good. Right, as you see, no blurry thing on top. Let's press Add. Let's set it as a wallpaper pair. But yeah, as you see, works perfectly. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.